Hello everybody, No Niche Nick here, and today I'd like to share with you my recipe for traditional English or British pancakes. This is something that we normally eat at least once a week. So first of all, you need some flour. Most recipes will say 100 grams of flour, but you don't want 100 grams of flour. You want 4 ounces of flour, which is more like 112 grams. So start off with 112 grams of plain flour. Bung that in a bowl. And then you want a big pinch of salt. I don't know, what's that, half a teaspoon or something? Whatever. See if you like it. If it's not salty enough, put more in next time. So a big pinch of salt. Now I've decided to go with a bit more. Mix that into the flour. And then you want to add full fat milk, but not all full fat milk. I normally go up to whatever line that is. 5 fluid ounces. And then I top that up to the half pint with water. So you want a big egg, a large egg in first. So a large egg into the flour. Start whisking that in. You can use an electric whisk. I used an electric whisk for a while, but sometimes it flies all over the kitchen, so it's just as easy, I find, to do it manually with just a little whisk like this. So whisk that in and then gradually add the milk and water mixture a bit at a time. Don't worry about lumps. For some reason it doesn't go lumpy. I don't know why. This is all real time as well, so I'm not cutting anything out. You see exactly how long it takes to make pancakes. The answer is less than 5 minutes. So get that flour, salt, egg, milk and water all mixed in. And that's the recipe. That's all there is. 112 grams of flour, large egg, half a pint, full fat milk and water. Then to make it easier when making the pancakes, I normally pour that back into the jug. Next, we're going to get to the pan hot. Apologies for the dirty hob. I'll be getting told off by my wife when she sees that. These are great little pans. You can get them in all sorts of shops. Just add, what's that, about a teaspoon of olive oil. I like to use olive oil. But you hardly need any oil at all. In fact, I'm not even sure if you need any. I think I'm just doing it like as a ritual because I'm wiping most of it away with a folded up kitchen towel. Kitchen towel? Is that what you call that stuff? Yeah. Check it's hot enough. And then this is the trick to making pancakes, right? You want to pour it in slowly, tilting the pan as you go until it just covers the bottom of the pan, like so. Then you put it on the heat and just leave it. Again, this is in real time, so you can see how it's cooking. You see how the top is slowly solidifying there. That's me getting the plates out. As far as toppings go, you can do whatever you like, really. Sometimes we have fruit, and my son just likes golden syrup on it. Personally, my favourite is a bit of sugar and freshly squeezed lemon. Let's have a look how it's doing. Not ready to toss yet. Sorry if this is a boring bit. I just wanted it to be in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes. An indication is, as you can just see, just at the edges there, just ever so slightly starting to go brown. And that's released from the bottom of the pan now, so when we do come to flip it over, it'll be really easy. Let's have another look. That's just about ready to flip. Not quite. See how it's going brown at the edges there. You don't want that to get too crispy. Of course, it's personal preference, isn't it? You might like it crispy. And then the flipping, it's really easy. You just sort of shove it forwards so it flies out the end, and then it sort of flips itself over. Watch that back again if you want to get the hang of the technique. And once you've got it, you'll never forget it. It's like riding a bike. Look, I'll do it again. So you just sort of throw it forwards out of the front of the pan away from you with a little flick of the wrist, and it flops over like that. And again, messed it up that time. And that is that. That's the first pancake ready. There we go. That'll go to the boy. He always gets the first one for some reason. I don't know, he's like a prince or something. And then it's just a case of repeating it over and over again. So I don't put any more oil in. Just give it a wipe with my oily kitchen towel. And then the same thing again with the batter. Just slowly pour it in whilst rotating the pan around until it covers the entire bottom. And that is it. My quick and easy way of making traditional English or British pancakes. And here's me just to finish off with a bit of sugar. Actually slipped a little bit, doesn't matter. The good thing about the sugar and the lemon is if you get it on while the pancake's really hot, it kind of goes all syrupy. That lemon and sugar mixes together and makes a sort of syrup because of the heat of the pancake. And I like to roll them up as well. Absolutely delicious. Hope you like that little recipe, everybody, and see you again soon on Nick's Not Niche. Bye for now.